Hey guys, so this is 6 week out, day 1. I just woke up. I'm gonna see how much I weigh. I just went to the bathroom. Okay, number 1. I don't do number 2 right away in the mornings. So we're gonna see how much I weigh, right? Okay, so this was kind of shocking. 87.8. So 87.8 means in pounds, this is like 190 pounds, I think, something like that. I'm gonna check it just in case again. Well, I'm gonna give you a physique update soon when I find a place where I can put my phone and I can actually pose in front of it. From what it seems, I think I'm gonna need to lose at least 12 pounds, I'd say. So after my breakfast, I'm gonna show you what my breakfast is basically. Then I'm gonna see you at the gym, all right? So this is what I look like now. So I got my belly here. We got fat, as you can see. I mean, I told you, like, I'm not like super fat or anything. It's just I'm kind of more like, I don't know what you would call like fluffy, maybe, right? And also, as you can see from my development, like I carry a lot of fat on my stomach area, like compared to the rest of the body. Like you can see even like a little bit of definition on my shoulders. But like when it comes to my belly, it's just all the fat here. I'm not flexing anything, I'm not flexing my abs, so this is like how I look like, okay? Yeah, I've been training legs, so I think you can tell. And so also my legs have gotten bigger, I think. I mean, you cannot see any definition, I believe. Like there is not much to see, but like in terms of size compared to what they looked like in the past, in my body transformation, after my body transformation actually, they are much bigger. So yeah, that's what we have, and that's what we have to work with. Okay? So I will see you guys in, well, not the gym. I'm gonna show you my breakfast first, and then I'm gonna see you at the gym, right? So if you've been following me, you know that I told you I like my sweet stuff. This is gonna be my breakfast. I got 8 grams of oatmeal here, and a scoop and a half of protein powder. And then I'm just gonna mix it. Sometimes I add nut butter. Maybe today I'm gonna, maybe not, I'm not sure. So we also add that, and then we just mix. And that's basically the breakfast, right? Too watery now. Normally I like it a little bit thick, but you know, who cares? So this is the breakfast, right? I'll see you at the gym. Okay, I'm at the gym now, so we're gonna start with dips. This week I'm gonna take it easy, and I'm gonna do maybe like 4 or 5 exercises. I'm thinking about like doing the same thing for like maybe 2 weeks, I would say. I will take it easy, I mean, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna take it easy for like 2 weeks, and then after that I'm just gonna crank it up, and we'll see how it goes. So when I say taking it easy, as you can see, I'm not going to failure in all of these exercises, okay? I'm trying to go like 10, 11 reps or so on. So I'm not trying to go failure, and this is what I'm saying by taking it easy. So now going on to lateral raises, and for this one we are gonna go for like 20 reps, okay? We are not gonna try with like 10 reps because I don't feel the muscle as much when I do like low reps, heavy weights
with lateral raises. So I would rather go like higher in reps, but you know, I can feel the muscle. So I will go for like 20 reps, 25 maybe, okay? And still the same thing, like we are not going for failure. I specifically came late to the gym. This is currently, see, 3:30 p.m. So it's afternoon. Look at the crowd. My God. I came here on purpose. I was thinking that, you know, in the afternoon, like this is Monday afternoon, there's not gonna be anyone, but like seems like no one needs to work, I guess. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I'm gonna do one more exercise. So for people watching this, because I'm not training my chest, so I'm not gonna do anything chest related. Like, I mean, I do dips, so this is kind of like my chest thing, and I do it like once a week, and that's it. But for people who wanna build a more balanced physique, let's say, because I think my chest is already good enough. You know, I don't see any reason for like training my chest. So you guys need to do some chest exercise instead of what I'm going to be doing now, because I'm going to be doing another shoulder exercise. And for the people, you know, who are training for a balanced physique, I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and do a chest exercise, okay? That can be like a bench press, I mean compound exercise. We need something compound. So we want bench press, incline bench press, like something along those lines, okay? You can do it with dumbbells as well. Alright, so I will see you on the next exercise. So if you notice one thing, I always start my exercises with warm-ups, okay? So I don't go ahead and like start with the, you know, heaviest weight possible. I usually go with like at least, I would say, 1 or 2 sets of warm-ups, okay? I always do that. Like, it's kind of one of the habits that I gain like over time. I feel that it is better for avoiding injury, you know, rather than like doing like stretching exercises and stuff. I don't really feel like they're helping as much. I find warming up like with like actual weight and the specific exercise that you're going to be training to be the most effective, okay? To be the most effective. So I always do that. For this one now, I only did one warm-up set because, you know, I already did like 2 shoulder exercises, so I don't really need to like warm up my shoulders anymore, but I still did 1 only, and now this is like the actual weight. Alright, done for the day. It took me 55 minutes, but like this includes like warm-ups, also includes people that I've been talking to, and also like setting up the camera and all that kind of stuff. So normally, in terms of like exercise, I would say maybe you can be over with it within like 40-45 minutes tops. Alright. So I just came outside. It's been raining today, as you can see. I don't know. You can see here. Yeah. It was kind of like all wet. Why I'm showing you this is because normally I wasn't planning to like start walking at night, but since it was raining earlier today, so I wasn't able to walk as much as often. So I just want to walk a little bit, maybe for like half an hour, give or take. This place is like, you see that bread over there? It smells so amazing. But we cannot eat it now. It's too many calories, and if I eat one, I cannot stop. I have to eat like freaking 3-4 of them. So we're not having any bakery stuff. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, for the day, I still have, let me think, about like 700-800 calories that I can have. So I'm gonna do that before going to bed. And like, it's been quite easy. I've decided to go with 2,600 calories rather than 2,800 because, to be honest, like I didn't think that I was gonna weigh like the way I weighed it. So it's kind of a little bit too much. So I would start with like 2,800, but you know, just let's do it a little bit faster, I guess. Since I've also given you the time that, you know, I'm gonna be doing it in 6 weeks, So it's gonna be challenging, to be honest, because I'm in terms of like kilograms, I'm like 88 kilos. So I'm thinking at least I need to get rid of like 6 kilos. I think at least 6 kilos is like 15 pounds, and I'm gonna have to do it in like 6 weeks. So that's gonna be about like 2.5 pounds per week, right? So that's why like I'm not starting with 2,800, because if I started with 2,800, I'm sure I would still be losing weight, but not as fast. So 2,600 will give me just a little bit more, you know, time maybe, so that, you know, I can actually get to the goal that I'm trying to get. And after that, yeah, we'll see. So I just got out, like it's been 2 minutes, like I'm actually keeping, I don't know if you can see it, I'm just keeping track of my watch. So this has been a good toy. So yeah, I'm gonna walk for like, you know, 30 minutes and then upload this video. It was really awkward, to be honest, like shooting myself in the gym. I'm not used to that kind of stuff. Also, like most of the people at the gym, they know me because, you know, I'm a foreigner. I speak like very good Chinese, so I know all the locals. Like I know most of the people who go there often, the trainers as well. So they were like, "Oh, what is going on?" Like when they saw me with like this selfie stick. So it was kind of strange. That's why actually my workout even took like longer, because like some of them were coming, they were like, you know, what is going on? And then I was talking to them during that time. So it was really, really awkward. Like I wasn't really like, I didn't think that I would be like this kind of like shy in a way. I don't know, maybe it's just, maybe not necessarily shy, but like awkward in general. So yeah, that is it for the day. But as I said, I mean, 6 weeks is gonna be challenging, and I'm gonna be cranking it up for sure. For the last 4 weeks, definitely. For the first 2 weeks, as I said, I'm doing like, you know, taking it easy. The reason why I'm taking it easy, I wanted to tell you this at the gym, but then I forgot, and then now the thought came back. So the reason why I'm taking it easy at the gym is that since I've been gaining weight, I was able to perform much better at the gym in terms of weight, in terms of like reps and all that. So because of that very reason, I think I kind of pushed myself a little bit too much, and I'm worried that I'm gonna get injured, especially now that I'm gonna be cutting. So that's the main reason why I'm actually taking it easy for like the first 2 weeks, okay? That's the main reason. Because I will lower the carbs, the calories overall, and if I push myself the same way that I've been pushing for the like past couple months or maybe even more, I really think that I might get injured, and injury is not the thing we want, especially when I make a commitment like on the internet that I'm gonna be losing weight in like, you know, 6 weeks again. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm not sure if I did my best, like I'm not really like the vlogger type, so hopefully you like it. As always, you know, leave your comments, let me know whatever you think. Do you think I should change my style maybe? Also, do you want to see more? That's also another thing. Like, I don't know what you guys want to see, what you guys don't want to see. I did some cooking, but I was gonna, I don't know, take a video, but I'm like, I'm not used to this thing, so I don't know, maybe I will do more of that, because I just did my breakfast, but that was all. So I didn't do anything else. The other stuff that I cooked, I kind of like batch cooked some stuff, so to make it easier. And yeah, the weather is nice. Like, it's getting cold. I like cold, really like cold. And people hate cold here. But yeah. So anyways, yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Leave comments. I want to hear your opinions. If you're starting cutting with me, also I want to know. So let me know, okay? And like the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, okay? and I will see you guys on day number 2. Hopefully I'll be able to publish this one today. But yeah, so that's why I'm gonna go back home, and like I'm gonna have to do like this editing and stuff like before I go to bed. So hopefully it's gonna be all good, and then I'm gonna be able to publish it today, and then I will see you guys tomorrow on day 2. All right, take care, stay safe.